Good afternoon, friends. Today, right now in Parliament, there's a debate which is going on the motion that relates to the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. I have discussed at length, I have spoken at length, both in English and in Manipuri, almost 6 to 7 months back in Delhi. Again, I am here in Imphal, reiterating the same thing, that this bill needs to be opposed tooth and nail. If this bill is passed, then it will destroy the entire indigenous population of the Northeast India, and it will also destroy the secular fabric of our constitution and of our nations. This bill will serve no purpose to mankind. This bill will indeed make an attempt to disintegrate the nation and belittle our constitution. This bill, if passed, it will definitely undermine the political resources and the financial resources of our indigenous people of the Northeast. It is very much concern for the people of Northeast, particularly for the indigenous people of the Northeast India, because through these bills, this present government led by Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, this bill is trying to destroy our indigenous people. This bill is trying to undermine our political rights and our political courage and stamina in such a way that here right now in our own region we are the political bosses, but if this bill is passed, then we will perhaps be definitely reduced to a mere minority in our democratic population. So it is with this regard, it is indeed a very serious affair that we, the people of India, must oppose this bill so that the philosophy of secularism, because this bill clearly differentiates communities based on religions, that some communities, because they belong to a particular religion, they are not being given an opportunity through this bill. In fact, they are being discriminated. So we here in India, the nation that believes in secularism, we cannot allow to have any philosophy, any ideology that makes an attempt to destroy our secular fabric, our secularism in our entire country. It is in this sense, I must say, and I urge the entire people of our country, that the people of our country must give a befitting reply, and particularly the people of our northeastern India must give a befitting reply to this Bharatiya Janata Party and its philosophy in this coming Lok Sabha elections, that in future such bill shall never be let down in either of the houses in the parliament. I will speak now in Manipuri. Akoina hojik yengjare maduri hojik parliament the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 haidana dharma kharabu Bharat lehendana honaba dharma gi michang mikhai yengle hairaga masiguma bill asi sembase Bharat ki aikoi gi secularism asibu thugaina ba honabasi masi Bharat laiba Praja Punamak aikoi mayam punabak na masi yafam thokte masigi the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 asina karigumba Parliament the passed taukiba taragadi awang nungpok Bharata Northeast India the laijariba aikoi gi indigenous people mayam se mut khiba tare aikoi se political minority oiba tare aikoi se matam amade khoi na chief minister oiba ngamaroi mantri oiba ngamaroi aduna hajik lairibasi the Citizenship Amendment 2016 bill haibasi aikoi na masi yafam oiba suthok thokte aduna ne ngasi Bharat pumbada amasung Manipur natana Northeast India pumbada masigi mayokta mayamna lepibase masigi damaktani ngasi aikoi mayamna hauriba mayamgi kholawase aduna masi punamak tholiba Bharatiya Janata Party amasung mahak ki Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji na Bharat puthugai gi khaliba amasung makhoi gi wakhalon makhoi gi bill asina Parliament da hajik puthoga hajik discussion tauri Lok Sabha da masina maram oiraga Northeast laijari indigenous people bo makhoi na indigenous ki praja sing makhoi na मखोगी मखा तुहत्तना नमहत्तना लेहलगा अखोगी पॉलिटिकल राइट अखोगी फमम थोको पॉलिटिकल हक मयाम सु मतपी की हाइबगी थौराम तौरिबसे मसिगी मायोक्ता नॉर्थ ईस्ट लेरिबा इंडिजिनस पीपल प्रजा खुरिमकना मसि अखोई पुन्न लेमिनदबा यादे अदुग मसिगी सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल 2006 असे अखोई याबा सुंगम ngमोय हाइना अखोई मयाम कन्न होनरगा पुन्न लेमिनसी सिगिदमक मयामबु खुरुमजरी जय हिंद नमस्कार।